We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive overview of the Father's Day dad gifts from daughter-son, kids' wife gifts for men, super universal socket tools. This product is designed as a practical and unique gift for men on various occasions such as Father's Day, birthdays, Christmas, and more. It is marketed as a cool gadget and a versatile tool that can replace multiple sockets with one universal adapter. The tool is made from upgraded high-hardness alloy chrome vanadium steel, polished and chrome-plated to resist rust and wear, promising durability and strength for heavy use. Its universal design fits fasteners ranging from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, or 7 to 19 millimeters, and can grip various shapes including wing nuts, hooks, hex, square nuts, screw eyes, and even damaged or rusted parts. This eliminates the need to carry multiple sockets and wrenches, making it a convenient addition to any toolbox. Users have expressed mixed but generally positive feedback about this universal socket tool. Many appreciate its convenience and the way it simplifies tasks by removing the guesswork of choosing the right socket size. One reviewer recounted how the tool worked effortlessly on a rusty nut where traditional sockets and wrenches required multiple attempts and adjustments. This ease of use and the ability to work with different fastener types impressed several users, with some stating they wish they had bought it years ago. The universal socket's compatibility with power drills and ratchet sets adds to its versatility, making it suitable for home improvement, construction, carpentry, auto repair, and household maintenance. However, some users caution that the tool is best suited for light to moderate torque applications. It is described as somewhat gimmicky by a few reviewers who noted that while it works, it may not replace specialized tools for high torque or heavy-duty jobs. One user mentioned it did not fit a wing nut on hurricane shutters due to size limitations. Another pointed out that there are often better tools for specific tasks, suggesting that this universal socket is not a complete substitute for a full set of sockets and wrenches. The build quality is generally praised, with the chrome vanadium steel construction providing strength and resistance to wear. The polished finish prevents rust and maintains the tool's appearance over time. The socket's compact size and lightweight make it easy to carry and store. Users found it to be a practical gift for men who enjoy DIY projects or need a reliable tool for occasional repairs around the house. In summary, the Super Universal Socket Tool from the LWWTBS store is a handy gadget that offers a unique solution to the problem of carrying multiple sockets. It is especially appealing as a gift for dads and men who appreciate practical tools. While it may not replace all specialized sockets, it delivers solid performance for a wide range of common fastening needs. The tool's ability to grip various fastener shapes and sizes, combined with its durable construction and compatibility with power drills, makes it a valuable addition to any toolbox. If you have this tool or plan to get it, leaving a review in the comments helps others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested.